Late night cookie at 10 p.m. doesn't just tack on a few extra calories. It actually messes with how your body works at night. Think of it like flipping a switch. When you grab that snack before bed, you basically tell your body to stop burning fat while you sleep. Instead of using your stored energy, meaning fat, your body will spend the next 8 hours working through the carbs you just gave it. You end up missing out on a legit fat-burning window, all because of the timing. Tonight, I want to show you a simple change that can turn sleep from dead time into your secret fat-burning weapon. Let's get one thing straight. This isn't about doing crunches before you crash or sipping some weird tea that promises miracles. This is all about timing, when you eat, not what. Researchers at Vanderbilt University actually ran a study that turned what we thought about nighttime metabolism on its head. Here's what they did. They took two groups, gave them the exact same meal, 700 calories, nothing fancy. The only difference was when they ate it. One group had their meal at 8 a.m., the other at 10 p.m. That was it. Same food, same amount, very different outcomes. So what happened? People who ate late at night switched off their body's fat-burning ability while they slept. Instead, their bodies chose to burn the fresh carbs from the meal. Their fat stores, completely untouched. On the other hand, the early eaters actually burned fat overnight, just because there was a long gap between their last meal and sleep. Imagine your body is a furnace. If you keep tossing logs on, food, right before sleep, the fire only burns the new stuff. Your fat is like the stack of logs sitting at the back. It never gets touched. But if you stop feeding the fire early in the evening, then by the time you're sleeping, your body has to reach for the stored wood. That's your fat, finally getting used up. That's really the whole trick. Not starving yourself, not cutting out breakfast, just leaving enough space before bed for your metabolism to switch gears. Now, here's where most people get it all wrong. For years, people have hyped up skipping breakfast as the way to burn fat. You see headlines saying, "Ditch breakfast, melt fat," but the research actually says the opposite. It's not about cutting the morning meal, it's about cutting out that late bite before bed. Eating an early breakfast doesn't ruin your fast, it's grabbing a midnight snack that wipes out your fat-burning ramp. Basically, when you eat late, you hand your body a pile of carbs and it goes, "Cool, I'll burn this instead of tapping into fat tonight." So the real takeaway isn't about banning breakfast, it's about setting a cutoff each night. No food 2 to 3 hours before you hit the pillow. Okay, so there's another piece most people miss. Sleep itself is a fat-burning tool. Your metabolism isn't just pausing while you snooze. When you're sleeping, your insulin levels tank, which you want, and your growth hormone jumps, especially during the deepest part of sleep. Low insulin means your body can actually access those fat stores. High growth hormone helps break them down. Put those together, and your body is ready to do some serious fat burning, but only if you don't flood it with more easy energy right before sleep. If you keep eating late, you cancel out this process. And if your sleep quality sucks, too little deep sleep, constant wake-ups, you get less growth hormone, which means less fat gets burned, and you end up feeling hungrier the next day. So yeah, it's about cutting late meals, but it's also about fighting for better sleep. Here's the one idea to carry with you. The real fat-burning magic isn't about what you eat at night, it's about when you eat. If you cut food 2 to 3 hours before bed and actually protect your sleep, you give your body a real shot to burn off some fat while you rest. So try this for a week. Pick a time. Set it as your kitchen closed rule, 2 to 3 hours before you head to bed, and just stick with it. Notice how you feel in the morning. Feel a difference? Great! And if you want to know what to eat when you break your fast to keep the fat burning going, check out my next video. See you there!